video, back again with another tiny portion of my collection. This time Scream Factory, Shout Factory, and here we go. First up, the very first I got, The Eagle Has Landed. Yeah, I think I've seen it quite a few times from TV, like my mission films from the World War II, and didn't get it for a long time because it's region A locked. Had to wait till I'm capable, and now it's here. Next up is a collection, Timeless Westerns, Rio Conchos, Take a Hard Ride, Butch Cassidy and Sundance, Butch and Sundance, the earlier days, and Lost Hard Man. And although it's a timeless media, it is also a part of division of Shout Factory, so that's why it's in this bunch. Next up, Shout Select, the Street Fighter collection, 3 films. Shiba. Next is a little dark comedy, Gravy. I saw it some time ago, really liked it, and I think this is the only release out in the world, so I had to get this from Scream. Yeah, Gravy. And next up is Raising Cain. I wanted to buy the Arrow release, but it was limited, and Arrow has a bad habit of losing a disc or two when they released the regular edition, and like a thief, Raising Cain also lost a disc with a recut version, so only way to get 2 versions was to get this one. That's it. That's all I have right now. Till next time, bye.